Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome back to our video conference in PCT batch 9. How are you today? Hope you guys still healthy even do you are fasting. Well, today our group have 3 video conference session for the first video conference. My friend Vina Fitria from the front green of Automation of Office Governance, who as presenter Nathan Alvarija from the front green of Computer Technique and Network. 3S moderator. And the last one is myself, Yudhistira from the front of Computer Technique and Network when as a host. I would like to say thank you for all participants who join our video conference. And the topic for this session is typical food of Subang. And now, let me the rule for our video conference by using Indonesian tata tertib. Tata tertib video conference. 1. Siap mengikuti Vicon sampai akhir. 2. Menyimak pemaparan materi dengan baik. 3. Menyalakan mic dan kamera saat berbicara. 4. Mematikan mic saat tidak berbicara. 5. Memohon izin kepada moderator jika ingin bertanya atau menanggapi. 6. Mengajukan pertanyaan yang sesuai dengan materi. 7. Mengisi presensi yang dibagikan saat Vicon berlangsung. Okay guys, now I will give this video conference to Nathan, his moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Yudis. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, participant, like Yudis said, my name is Nathan Alvarija from the first grade of Computer Technique and Network 3. Today, in this session, I serve as moderator. The topic for this session is typical food of Subang. We will find what are the typical food of Subang. But before that, I would like to introduce our presenter. Her name is Vina Fitria. She is a student of the first grade of Automation of Office Governance 2. She born in Subang on April 21st, 2005. She lives at Cerelek 1 Village, Bagaden. Her hobby is listening music. Okay, Vina, are you ready to explain about typical food of Subang? Well, participants are going to listen the topic right now. Vina, thank you.
Mohon maaf, Vina kurang kedengaran. Bisa diulang? Vina, mohon maaf, suara kurang jelas. Tunggu sebentar, ada kesalahan. Halo Nathan.
Halo.
How are you today? I am fine too. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Nathan, as host and moderator today. Good evening, everyone. I'm information of office components. In this occasion, I will discuss the material and title typical food of Subang.
Nice.
But it already visible.
Yes.
This is the title of my presentation. Subang is a district which also the center of governance for Subang Regency, West Java Province, Indonesia, which is famous for its various fruits. But did you know that it not only famous for its abundant fruit yield, but Subang is also famous for its tempting delicacy. Talking about culinary, there is not and no it. Considering that almost every region in Indonesia has its own special food. The typical Subang food that I will describe today is very rare and cannot be found in other areas. The original food of Subang does have a very distinctive taste and difficult for other regions to imitate. Here are some typical food of Subang. Pineapple Simadu. If we hear the word Subang, then a phrase that we have in mind is pineapple. Yup, because Subang is one, pineapples from Subang is called pineapple honey or pineapple simadu. It is so named the original pineapple from Subang is called pineapple honey or pineapple simadu. So name the original pineapple from Subang is called because it tastes very sweet and sticky like honey, and I also different from pineapples from other region. During the pineapple season, there will be a lot pineapple seller along the road in the Subang area. If you want to try to buy this typical Subang Simadu pineapple, then you can come to Jalan Cagak. Because usually there will be many wholesale pineapple there. Pineapple dodol. Dodol nanas is typical Subang food that must be tried. Subang is indeed famous as a producer of pineapples, whose delicacy is completely different from other places. So it is not surprising that this food is so popular in Subang. Dodol nanas have even become a food icon that must be brought as souvenir for Subang specialty. Just like the name, dodol nanas is dodol was main ingredients is pineapple mix with sticky rice flour and sugar. Its sweet and legit taste is so legendary that it will make anyone, and so you are about to depart from Subang. Don't forget to stop by the gift shop on Jalan to buy dodol nanas. Next. Tape ketan. A typical Subang food that you won't be able to find delicious in other areas is tape ketan. Unlike the usual sticky rice tapes, the Subang specialty sticky tape has a unique taste. Tape ketan is food made from a mixture of tape and sticky rice, so the sweetness of the tape will mix with the sticky rice. From the combination of these two ingredients, a unique and different taste will be formed. Usually, beside being able to be eaten directly, sticky tape can also be used as a complement to make as dishes and various other drinks. Next. West Java specialties that only exist in Subang next is crispy lapan fish. This is food only be found in the Pantura area, to be precise in Subang Regency. Lapan crispy fish is processed fish that was developed by business group in Subang since 2012. Now their business has grown and has become an icon of the Pantura in Subang. Uniquely crispy, Lapan fish come with a variety of different flours, namely cheesy, original, barbecue, and balado. Don't worry about the taste of crispy Lapan fish, which is indeed the champion. So if you are on the trip to Subang, don't forget to buy Lapan fish to souvenir at home. Next. Typical food, a typical liwet rice Subang. Nasi liwet with is distinctive delicacy you will lose if you miss it. Subang typical liwet is complete with various toppings such as balado eggs, shredded chicken, meat, omelette, and fresh vegetable. You can find the typical Subang liwet rice culinary on the roadside of Subang Regency. The best place to eat nasi liwet Subang at Saung Liwet Kang Nana. Address Jalan Raya Subang, Pamanukan, be present in Sukamelang Village. Subang specialty food that you must try next is oncom dawan. Oncom is indeed one for the most popular culinary dialects in West Java, and Subang uniquely has the most famous oncom producing areas. To be precise, the most famous oncom producing area in Subang is Dawan, which is why its name is called Oncom Dawan. Why is Oncom Dawan so famous? The main reason is because this oncom is still processed by way of traditional ones. So there no chemical make in them. Oncom dawan is an oncom made from superior peanut processed on a traditional fire stove. Next. Typical pork crackers in Subang or kerupuk miskin. One of the typical Subang food that are easy to find is pork crackers. This cracker and characteristic, these pork crackers are processed by frying using sand instead of using ordinary cooking oil. This makes this one cracker smell different and very appetizing. This pork cracker snack is perfect for you to enjoy while relaxed, especially if you dip in hot chili sauce or peanut sauce. It will add to its deliciousness. Laos, rambutan Kalijati. Besides being famous for its pineapple producing areas, it turned out that Subang is also known as a producer of rambutan fruit. Where the rambutan fruit is named Kalijati rambutan. Some areas in Subang that producing rambutan are Kalijati, Purwadadi, and Cipendei, Subang district. Thank you. The participant who have listened to my material. Then I will give my time back to moderator.
Thank you very much, Vina. All right, guys. Send us the question in chat room so you can fill your absent. Next, for all participants who want to ask something about the topic to our presenter, please send your question in chat room. I will read it for you. Okay, this question from Nopi Kania Dewi. Assalamualaikum, Waalaikumsalam. Izin bertanya, why is it called kerupuk miskin? Okay, Vina.
Okay, thank you, Nopi Kania Dewi. Kerupuk miskin is called that because it is fried, not using cooking oil, but using sand that has been previously cleaned, which goes through and process of drying and filtering by slaving.
Okay, thank you, Vina, for your participant. Maybe next question. Okay, question from Novikanya Dewi again. Are all the pineapple in the Subang is Simadu pineapple? Okay, Vina.
Of the many pineapples harvested, only a few can be categorized as Simadu. Even though they taste both sweet mass pineapples are sold on the side or the Subang Road, not including Simadu.
Okay, thank you, Vina, for your answer. Okay, next question from Mr. Deden. What do you like the most? Vina, please your answer.
Sorry, bisa diulang?
Okay. Question is, what do you like the most?
Okay. Mostly I like. Okay.
Okay. Maybe next question, participant. No question, participant? Okay. Pina, can I ask a question? Okay. Question is, wait. Why it's called pineapple simadu?
Thank you, Nathan. Is question. Name because it is tasted very sweet and sticky like honey.
Okay, thank you.
Halo Pina,
Hello, Yudis.
do you like pork cracker?
Yes, I like. Mostly, I
Maybe next question, participant.
Tutup waktunya 7 menit. Yes.
This question more from Deden. From those please, I really like oncom dawan. What about you, presenter? Ay, bisa bahasa Inggris.
okay. Not I like oncom dawan.
Pina, why you don't like oncom dawan?
Tatu jawab.
Well, guys, our video conference from session is been complete. Thank you very much. And I will return this video conference to you this. Please use this.
Okay. Thank you, Nathan. Guys, that is an interesting topic. If we all talk about food, but be careful, guys, because we are still fasting. Okay, maybe enough for this session. Thank you for coming and joining to our video conference. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.